Hello dear students and welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Let's start our today's online session of Standard 9th Mathematics. And today, in the revision of number system, we will see how to rationalize the denominator. So let's see some problems based on the rationalization of denominator. See here, first a simple question, 1 upon root 3 we have to rationalize. Rationalization of the denominator means we just want to remove the rationalization, that is square root sign from the denominator. Numerator, if it is their sign, no matter, doesn't matter. Now we know root 3 into root 3 equals to 3 and it is a rational number. So what we will do? We will multiply and divide 1 upon root 3 by root 3. As root 3 upon root 3 equals to 1. So we are not changing the number is as it is. Only to remove the rational sign, irrational number sign from the denominator, we will have to multiply root 3 and divide also. So 1 into root 3 means what? It is root 3 and the denominator means root 3 into root 3, that equals to 3. So the final answer is what? Root 3 upon 3. That means we rationalize the denominator. Now the second one is here. Now binomial is there, 1 upon 2 plus root 3. Now we have to multiply by its conjugate. Conjugate means the term, the sign which joins the two letters, that we have to change. Means if here it is plus, we will take the minus. That is, we multiply and divide both these numerator and denominator by 2 minus root 3. So if you will see, 1 upon 2 plus root 3 equals to 1 upon 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3. Now 1 into 2 minus root 3, that is numerator means 2 minus root 3. And if you will see the denominator, if you will observe the denominator, it is a plus b, a minus b. So here we will use the identity a square minus b square. That is, the answer is 2 square means 4 and root 3 square means 3. So it's 4 minus 3. So the denominator is what? 1. So the answer is 2 minus root 3. Now see here, 6 minus 4 root 3 and 6 plus 4 root 3. We will rationalize again. The rationalizing factor is what here? 6 minus 4 root 3, because the denominator is 6 plus 4 root 3. So we will multiply and divide by the conjugate of the number, that is this 6 minus 4 root 3. Now if you will see the numerator, it becomes a square of 6 minus 4 root 3 and the denominator means a square minus b square. So it is 6 square minus 4 root 3 square. Now we all are aware about the identity a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square means 36, 2ab means 2 into 4 into 6 into root 3. And then plus b square means 4 root 3 whole square. Denominator be a square minus b square, that is 36 minus 48. So the answer is 84 minus 48 root 3 upon minus 12. Now take out the 12 common from the numerator. 12 gets cancelled. Change the sign because it is the negative one. So this 4 root 3 minus 7 is your final answer. Now see here, again it is a combination of two terms. So 4 plus root 5, 4 minus root 5 plus 4 minus root 5, 4 plus root 5. Now we will take term, that is two terms we will solve as we are solving the two questions. So first, the conjugate of the denominator is 4 plus root 5. So the first term is multiplied and divided by 4 plus root 5. Second denominator is 4 plus root 5. So second denominator is divide and multiply by its conjugate, that is 4 minus root 5. Now solving this, we will get 4 plus root 5 whole square upon a square minus b square, that is 4 square minus root 5 square plus. If you will see the numerator, it is 4 minus root 5 whole square. So it is again 4 minus root 5 whole square and the denominator is same as 4 square minus root 5 whole square. Applying the identities in both numerators and denominators and then simplifying it, we will get the 8 root 5 minus 8 root 5 cancels and then 48 is there. 48 upon 11 is the answer. So see, the question is looking difficult, but when you solve this by using the conjugate of the number, the things become very easy. Now it's time to practice this rationalization of denominator. So here are some questions in your revision assignment. Dear students, try to solve these. These are the different types of questions, and then find the answers of these questions. Thank you. Have a nice day.